Alright fam, if you've been sitting, working, or just feeling a little bit tight, this quick 5-minute stretch routine is exactly what you need. We're going to flow through some movements that open up your back, chest, and shoulders while stretching out those tight hips and legs. Let's hit the mat. We're moving into downward dog to cobra flow. From child's pose, lift your hips up into downward dog. Press through your palms. Push your hips toward the sky and stretch through your hamstrings and calves. Take a breath here, pedaling out your feet if you need to. Now, flow forward into cobra, lowering your hips toward the ground and lifting your chest. Feel the stretch in your back and the opening through your chest. Inhale deeply as you rise. Exhale as you return to downward dog. Keep flowing between these poses, letting your breath guide the movement. Each stretch in cobra lifts your chest, while downward dog lengthens the spine. This is where you shake off the stiffness and wake up the body. Start on all fours and ease back into child's pose. Sit your hips back to your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Take a deep breath in, feeling your lower back and hips stretch. Now flow forward into cobra stretch. Glide your body forward, pressing your hips into the floor, lifting your chest and opening up your spine. Inhale, expand through the chest, and exhale as you slowly return to child's pose. Keep flowing between these poses. Each time you move forward into cobra, imagine you're releasing all the tension from sitting at your desk. As you return to child's pose, feel your hips, lower back, sink deeper into the stretch. This flow is about creating space in your spine and bringing energy back to your body. Come up to a standing position now for a standing forward fold. Hinge at your hips and let your arms hang down toward the floor. This is where we release the tension in your hamstrings and lower back. Now, as you hang, swing your arms from side to side like you're flying in the sky. Let the movement be fluid. Inhale, and as you exhale, think of this as a moving meditation, letting your arms and chest open with each breath. Imagine you're sweeping away all the stress and welcoming in fresh energy. This is about creating openness in your chest and releasing tension from your back. Let's finish with threading the needle, which is perfect for opening up your shoulders and upper back. Come down on all fours, extend your right hand out to the side, and then thread it under your left arm, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. You should feel a deep stretch in your upper back and between your shoulder blades. Hold here for a few breaths. With each inhale, imagine you expanding the space in your spine, and with each exhale, you're letting go of any tightness. Now switch sides, threading your left arm under your right. This is perfect for those who feel tightness in their shoulders and back. Your shoulders and back will thank you. And there you have it, fam. Just 5 minutes of flowing stretches to unlock your body and release that tightness. Whenever you need a quick reset, come back to this routine, keep your body moving, stay loose, and let's crush the rest of the day, fam. Let's go!